The last video we have seen how to install Hadoop. I think everyone has already installed Hadoop into this local system. If not, please install. Today we will see HDFS. HDFS is Hadoop distributed file system. It's the basic and main component of the Hadoop environment. It is a component where data is stored. When data is given, its data gets partitioned and stored in HDFS, means Hadoop distributed file system. We'll see its architecture now. See here is HDFS client, means a programmer or a company he gives his huge data, its giant or its big data to system, to Hadoop environment. The data is partitioned and data will be partitioned and stored in all the nodes. Here there will be two nodes. Master node is one good, means one supercomputer with high RAM and high processing strength, master node, and all other slave nodes. All other slave nodes. Slave nodes are called data nodes, where data nodes means all these are slave nodes. And this is name node is called both the combine of name node and secondary name node is master node. When data is given to the Hadoop system, the big data is partitioned and stored in all the data nodes, and the information about the data where it is all stored is stored in name node, in master node. Master node contains metadata. Master node contains, in name node it contains metadata. Metadata is nothing but information about the data where it is all stored in data node, which data is stored in which location, which piece of data is stored in which rack number or which data node number. It all stored in the metadata as a form of FS image. It is called as FS image. But when you are operating with these data nodes, periodically the metadata is keep on changing. So in order to overcome this problem, there will be another secondary name node. It has log files. Secondary name node will be having log files where it will be keep on editing with the change in metadata, and this log file plus the old FS image will replace here to form new FS image. Means periodically, like in hour, 1 hour, this get updated. The metadata in the name node gets updated periodically. I will tell you once more. When the huge data is given, this huge data is partitioned and stored in all the different nodes, all the different data nodes, and the information about all these nodes is called metadata, and it is stored in name node. These data will be keep on changing, and these all the data just keep on changing, and these will be edited. This editing information will be stored in secondary name node as log file. Periodically, this log file will merge with the old fs image in the name node, and the new fs image will be stored in name node. Okay, then we will move. I will tell once again. Name node means in master node, name node will be having metadata, and is called fs image. Secondary name node is keep on editing because of change in data nodes, and is called log file. And these two will combine, will add up, and this will be stored again back to the name node, means periodically. Metadata only, metadata it's called. Now it is new fs image only, but it's new now, means it's a latest version about the data nodes. Then we will see how data is written to HDFS, how to write a file to HDFS. Write file. Again, a giant file, a big file is given by a client. Client is a client. Now there will be master node or name node. These are slaves or data nodes where data is actually stored. This person will ask, this is master node mn. This is data node dn. Data node 1 2 3 4 5. The first step will be the client will ask his permission to name node to where to save. He replies back to the client to where and all the racks are free, and which are the nodes are free to store. He gives the information about them. Then he stores to where all data nodes where space are free, to all the racks. It's third step number 3. In fourth step, the data nodes will tell to master node that writing the file is successful, and data nodes will also tell to client that the job is successful. First, the client will ask master node about the information to where to store in the racks. Then the master node will give information to where to store. In third, data is stored in all the places, all the nodes. In fourth step, the data nodes will give successful report to master node, and in fifth step, the data node will give successful report to the client side. Now we will see how to read a file. Before that, we will see how name node will get to know which are the racks are free. In the previous image, I told that the master node will tell to the client which are the racks are free. But how come the name node will come to know which are the racks are free? It is called rack awareness. It's called rack awareness. Rack awareness. Rack awareness. Rack awareness. Rack. These are the racks which it contains series of data nodes. Means data nodes will be present here, and these are connected. We take some data A, B, C. In rack A will be present, B will be present, and in same node C will be present, and in this file B, C, and here A, B, C, and this node is empty, and this node is empty, and there is one more, there is still space in this node. All this information are given to name node. This is called rack awareness. From this, it will come to know which are the racks are free. When a new file is given, the name node will tell, go, this rack is free, go, you take that position. It will tell like that. Then we will see how to read a file, how file is read from HDFS. Again here, client, name node, data nodes, are connected in parallel connection. First, the client will ask, give me these files. Then name node will return, go, I have given you these files, you are stored in these places, go take it from there. Then client will directly fetch those files from that location. That step. Now we have seen what is the architecture of the HDFS, how file is written to HDFS, and how data is read from HDFS, means Hadoop distributed file system. These are all theory concepts, nothing to do with programming. We'll see programming practical in the next sessions. Thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe.